Very good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss fraction of a number. How we will find fraction of a number. Okay. So everybody, please close your book and listen now. After that only you want to open. Now fold your hands, close your book, fold your hands and listen. Okay. No need to write down anything. Okay. For how to find fraction of a number.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to find, last day we have discussed 1 by 2 of 20. 1 by 2, that means half of 20. We have to find
20.
half of
Half of
20.
20. I know
Wait,
it. I know it.
wait. Please mute your audios. I will give you a chance to speak. Now please mute. Half of 20. That means the meaning of the question is that 20 you have to divide into two equal groups, and we have if you are dividing like that, how many will be there in one group? How many will? That is the meaning of this question. 20 we have to divide into two equal groups, and how many will be there in one group?
One.
To find this, you don't want to draw 20 balls or something.
Mom.
It is easy to find. 1 by 2 of 20 equal to this of you have to replace by into. That means 1 by 2 of 20 equal to 1 by 2 into 20. Okay. So first what you want to do? You have to replace the of by into. 1 by 2 into 20. And after that, you have to multiply the numerator and the number. That means here you want to multiply 1 into 1 into 20 is equal to 20 by the denominator you can write as
630.
20 divided by 2. 20, this, what is this? Division bar. This symbol means division. So you have to, this means you have to divide 20 by 2. 20 by 2, what you will get? 20 divided by 2?
40.
Not 20 into 2, I am asking. What, which number into 2 you get 20? 10. 10. So 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10.
This small question you cannot answer.
One more question. Will you please? I'll give you a chance. First you understand, then only you can give me answer. The same way, how you will do? 2 by 3 of 6. What do you want to do first?
First we want to do
We want to
2 into 6. Now replace of into
by into.
In the middle we should write into. Then we should
first you have to replace this of by into. 2 by 3 into 6. After that, what we have to do?
Then we should do 2 into 6.
Then we have to multiply the numerator and the number. That means 2 into 6.
12.
Denominator will be same. 12 by 3. 12 by 3 means you have to divide 12 by, divided by 3.
4.
You have to check which number into 3 you get 12. Which number into 3 you get 12? 4. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Is that a way you have to do this? Okay. So first you have to replace this of by into, and you have to multiply the numerator and the given number, and after that you have to divide by the denominator. Let us do a few questions.
Yes.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
All of you open your workbook.
Page number 37.
Page number 37. Page number 37. Okay. Now I want Parvana, please unmute and read the first question. Question number 17. Till 16 we have done, right? Parvana, till 16 we have completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 17.
Human bread
Hmm.
in 45 bangles.
Hmm.
Out of these,
Hmm.
1 by 3 bangles are red.
Hmm.
How many bangles are red?
Yes. Hema bought 45 bangles. So we have the number of bangles we have 45. And in that 1 by 3 bangles are red. So that means 1 by 3 of 45 bangles are red. So how many bangles are red? So what we have to do, find out 1 by 3 of 45. Okay. All of you try to find out. We can write the step first. What will be the first step, Parvana?
Number of bangles.
Total number of bangles or number of bangles, that is enough. Total number of bangles equal to 45. Then
45.
next we have to find number of red bangles, isn't it?
Bangles.
So fraction of red bangles or number of red bangles, whatever you need, you can write. Fraction of number of red bangles, that is enough. Total number of bangles. Number of red bangles equal to 1 by 3 of 45 bangles are red. So 1 by 3 of 45. First step is that you have to replace this of by into. That is the first step. 1 by 3 into 45 equal to. After that, you have to one into 45 divided by 3. That means we have multiplied the numerator and the number. 1 into 45 is equal to 45. 45 divided by 3 equal to 45 divided by 3. That means you have to divide 45 by 3. Equal to 45 divided by 3. All of you divide 45 by 3. Parvana,
Ma'am.
45 divided by 3. Anyway, 45 is not coming the table of 3. So we have to divide. So what is the first number? 4. 4 divided by 3, what you will get?
1.
1. Because if you are writing the table, you will get 1, 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 we cannot take. So we can take only 3. 6 is greater than 4. We cannot take. Only we can take 3. From this 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So 1 we can write as quotient on the top. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Put down
1.
this 5. 15 how many times? What into 3 you get 15?
5.
5. You will get 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 15 minus 15, 0. No more digits to bring down. So how many bangles?
15 bangles.
15 bangles. All of you write 15 bangles. Equal to 15 bangles. Red bangles, okay. Right, red bangles, 15 red bangles. Now, next question. Who is remaining to last? Sarah, please unmute and read the next question. Have you completed this one? Sarah, please unmute. Have you completed question number 17?
No, I'm doing.
Okay, do it, do it. After that is enough. Meenakshi completed. Meenakshi Anup, have you completed? Unmute. Please unmute. Unmute here.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 18. Shravya purchased. Shravya purchased. Purchased.
16 ice cream
Mm,
of
mm. Which? Of which?
each
1 by 4.
1 type of
4
of
is
of
of
is of
mm,
va-
vanilla
vanilla
flavor.
flavor.
Mm. How many
Many ice cream are
of
of
Hmm.
vanilla
flavor?
flavor.
So total how many ice creams are there?
16.
16 ice creams. Out of which how many are vanilla? What is the fraction?
1
1 by 4.
4.
1 by 4 of 16 is vanilla. So we have to find how many is in vanilla flavor. For that, like this question number 17, you have to find 1 by 4 of 16. Then you will get the answer. So, my dear children, have you all completed this one? Everybody has completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to take the next question. So, my dear children, write along with me the step. Number of ice creams. Total number of ice creams. Total number of ice creams equal to 16. Total number of ice creams is equal to 16. Now, number of vanilla ice creams. Number of vanilla ice creams equal to, It is given 1 by 4 of 16 are vanilla ice creams. That means try to find out yourself. 1 by 4 of 16. That means 1 by 4 into 16. You have to multiply 1 into 16. 1 into 16 by 4. That means 16 by 4. That means you have to divide 16 by 4. Sahil, are you writing? Alan, please turn on your video. Alan Shaji, please turn on your video. Fida Fasal, to be. Please. Adinanda. Why are you here, dear Adinanda? Alan Shaji, please turn on your video fast. Mrudul, Sanvia, many are there. Please turn on your video. Meenakshi TS, please unmute. Meenakshi TS. 16 divided by 4. What you will get? 16 divided by 4.
16 divided
That means which number into 4 you get 16? The table of 4. Check whether 16 is coming in the table of 4. Just check the table. Abigail, can you say? Unmute and say. Unmute here, unmute.
4.
Is it Meenakshi or Abigail?
Ma'am?
Meenakshi said the answer?
6.
No.
4 into 4 into 4.
Yes, Meenakshi also said, I think. So,
4
4 fours are 16. So, from that, 4 fours are 16. From that, 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So, you will get 4 vanilla ice creams. 4 vanilla ice creams. Okay. Four vanilla ice creams. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Because 4 fours are 16. Okay. Next question 2. Deva, please read the next question. Have you completed writing?
Ma'am, I am not. I am writing.
Okay, right. Yes, Niranjan, please unmute.
Observe.
You have completed. Okay, read. Observe.
Observe the following
Mm. Items.
items and
Mm.
answer
Mm.
the question given.
Mm. Yes.
How many
It is given pear rupees 16 for a kilo and roses rupees 15 for a bunch.
bunch?
That is the price. For 1 kilo pear, it is rupees 16, and for one bunch of rose, it is rupees 15. Okay. What is the first question?
How many
How much?
much
Hmm.
does
Hmm.
1 by 2
1 by 2.
1 by 4
Hmm.
of
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
Kilogram.
Kilogram.
gram
Hmm.
of
Hmm. Pear.
pear cost?
Cost.
16.
So, my dear children, for 1 kilogram of pear, it is rupees 60. We have to find what is the cost of 1 by 2 kilogram, and after that, what is the cost of 1 by 4 kilogram of pear. Okay.
Yes.
So, for that, what we have to do? We have to find 1 by 2 of rupees 16, 1 by 4 of rupees 60.
60.
Okay.
Yes.
So, all of you write the step. What should be the first step?
Number of
Not, this is not number, it is given. It is given. What is given? Cost. Is that
cost.
cost? It is cost. So, cost of
Cost of
1
1
kilo
1
pear
kilo
equal to rupees 16.
pear
Then what we have to find? Cost of half kilo pear. So, next step, cost of
cost
half
of
kilo pear is equal to 1 by 2 of rupees 16. We have to find 1 by 2 for 1 by 2 kilo pear. The cost is 1 by 2 of rupees 16. The cost also we have to find the half. That means 1 by 2 into 16. That means rupees 16 divided by 2. Rupees 16 divided by 2. We will get you have to check which number into 2 you get 16. Like that, we have to find cost of 1 by 4 kilogram. If you want kilogram, you can write kilogram pear. For that, you have to find 1 by 4 of rupees 16 because it is only 1 by 4 kilo pear. To find the cost, you have to find 1 by 4 of the cost, rupees 16. So you will get 1 by 4 into rupees 16. That means rupees 16 divided by 4 equal to rupees 16 divided by 4.
10.
16 divided by 2, what you will get? 16 divided by 2, what you will get?
8.
Ah, very good. Rupees 8. So half kilo, if 1 kilo pear costs rupees 16, half kilo pear costs rupees 8. 1 kilo rupees 16, half kilo rupees 8. Like that, cost of 1 by 4 kilogram pear equal to 1 by 4 of rupees 16. That means 1 by 4 into rupees 16. Rupees 16 divided by 4. What you will get rupees 16 divided by 4? 16 divided by 4. What into 4 you will get 16? We already did the same in the previous question.
4, ma'am.
4. So 1 by 4 kilogram or quarter kilogram of pear costs rupees 4. And B you can do as a homework. There you want to find the cost of 1 by 3 kilogram and 1 by 5 kilogram. You have, for that, what you have to do? To find 1 by 3 kilogram of bunch of roses. 1 by 3 of bunch of roses. What do you want to do? One cost of one bunch is given. To find cost of 1 by 3 bunch, what do you want to do? Who can say? Cost of one bunch is given rupees 15. To find cost of 1 by 3 of bunch, what do you have to do? 1 by 3 of a bunch.
15 divided by 3.
We have to find 1 by 3 of 15. And to find 1 by 5 of bunch, cost of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of bunch, what do you want to do? You have to find
15 divided by 5.
or 1 by 5 of 15. Please follow the step. 1 into 15 divided by 3 or 1 into 15 divided by 5, because sometimes numerator may not be 1. That time if you didn't multiply, the answer will be wrong. So everybody should multiply the number and numerator. Then only you have to divide. Like here, 1 into 16 by 4. Here also 1 into 16 by 4, like that. Let us discuss the next question. Next question is very easy. Now all of you keep your pencil down and listen. All of you keep your pencil down and listen. Everybody. Here, all of you stop writing and listen. A set of 19 items has 6 pens, 4 pencils, 5 erasers, 4 rulers. Write the fraction of each item in the total collection. Very easy. We have learned this already. What will be here? 6 pens are there. 4, 5 and 4. Total item is 19 items. So what will be the fraction of pen? Who knows? They can tell. What will, yes, Arthur.
19 by 6. 6 by 19.
6 by 19. What will be the fraction of pencils? What will be the fraction of
4 by
pencils?
6. 19. By
4 by 90.
4 by
Because 4
90.
pencils are
4
there
by
out of
90.
19 items. What is the fraction of eraser?
5 by 19.
5 by 90. What will be the fraction of ruler? Don't write this.
4 by 90.
4 by 90. Only this much. But you have to write the step. That steps I will send in the WhatsApp. But these are the answer. I hope you all understood.
Yes.
What you have to find. Huh? Anybody has doubt?
No.
No. So, my dear children, that question you can do it yourself. The steps I will send in the WhatsApp. Please check. You got the answer. It is very easy.
Yes.
You all told the answer now. It is correct. So, please do it.
Okay.
So, thank you, my dear children. And evening, I will send the class test link. Please ready for that. Okay? Bye. See you.
Bye.